Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Now let's start with an arithmetic sequence. Here, each term is derived by adding a constant difference d to the previous term. This makes the sequence predictable and it allows us to use specific formulas to find any term in the sequence or the sum of multiple terms. Now, the general term lets you calculate the nth term directly. So if you take a look at this formula, a represents the first term, d represents the constant difference, and n represents the term number. What about the sum of terms? This allows you to find the sum of the first n terms. So there are two formulas that you can use. You can either use n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, or n over 2 multiplied by a plus l, where l is the last term. Let's start with question 2.1 from the 2020 past paper. Now, the average score for this question in 2020 was 61%. Let's take a look at the question. 7xy negative 11 is an arithmetic sequence. Determine the values of x and y. You will see that this question counts 4 marks. First, we will take a look at the given information. Now, the first term of the sequence, a, is equal to 7. And the fourth term has a value of negative 11. So what we will do first is we will identify the common difference d. So let's write down the nth term formula. Tn equals a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So here the fourth term is equal to negative 11. So t4 is equal to negative 11. So in this case, a will be equal to 7 and n will be equal to 4. Since n indicates the position, and this is the fourth term. So let's substitute these values into the formula. Negative 11 is equal to 7 plus 4 minus 1 multiplied by d. Now 4 minus 1 equals 3, so we have negative 11 equals 7 plus 3d. Now we want to solve for d, so we want to get it alone. Let's take the 7 over to the other side. Negative 11 minus 7 equals negative 18. Now we want to get d alone, so we will divide both sides by 3. It will cancel out on the one side. Negative 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So that means d is equal to negative 6. The next thing that we'll do is we'll determine the values of x and y. So we'll substitute d equals negative 6 back into the nth term formula to find x and y. So the second term of the sequence is equal to the first term plus the common difference, and the first term is equal to 7 and the common difference is equal to negative 6. So the second term, x, has a value of 1. What about the third term? Here we will add the first term to 2 times the common difference. So now we have to say 7 plus 2 times negative 6, and the answer is equal to negative 5. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to negative 5. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.